What those allegations say is that the traders knew the effects of their conduct, and they knew the effects of their conduct. If you look at 275 in the last sentence, the traders were aware of this when they engaged in the collusive conduct and posted quotes, or in some cases withheld quotes on international trading platforms with the aim of manipulating the rand and dollar exchange rate and moving the market in a desired outcome. If you turn over the page to 466, 278, it is also alleged the traders could see in real time the effect of their manipulation on the currency exchange and the lasting impact on the bid and ask spread. So I ask rhetorically, if they knew the consequences, how could they not know that others were doing it? So if those are the ground rules of pleading and SOC, we have three banks that I want to just deal with separately. Three traders rather, Cook, Katz, and Hattin, because they fall in the same category. These are the members of the old GITS. These are the most prolific participants, and these are in relation to other banks where it has been found that they are part and parcel of the SOC. But they have been excluded from the SOC by the CAC on very flimsy justification. First, it was held that an employment of a trader by a bank is not the only basis to implicate a bank in an SOC, which is clearly wrong, because the allegation that we've made is that a person who is duly authorized suffices. Second, it was held that membership of a chat room isn't enough to attribute knowledge of the SOC, which is also clearly wrong. And lastly, it was held that Cook should have been linked to an actual bank, which is also legally wrong. The same applies to Hattin, who was with HBUS, the 19th respondent. The same applies to Standard Americas. They employed Katz for 10 years, and he traded on their behalf. 10 years. And I stand corrected, of course, by Ms. Engelbrecht. He did not serve time in prison. He served jail time at home. But these banks, on any credible version, are in the SOC. They employ the masterminds of the SOC. That is Bank of America respondents, Standard Americas, and HBUS. And if you accept the analytical framework that we suggested, which is first work out who is inside, and then work out who can be excluded on other grounds, then there can be no debate that the Bank of America respondents, Standard Americas, HBUS are all in the SOC.